What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the noteworthy Galaxy S22 Ultra has officially introduced earlier this year, and Samsung is now working on the next generation foldable devices prior to their August launch. Samsung is likely to launch the Galaxy S23 Ultra in early next year, while a too early concept emerged on the network before the official announcement. Ditching the traditional Galaxy S Ultra design, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra arrived with the great combination of the Galaxy Note series and unbeatable power of the Galaxy S series. This combination is totally being loved by the fans, and they expect the next Galaxy S Ultra with the same design. Meanwhile, a concept creator has recently created the renders of the awaited Galaxy S23 Ultra. The front of the phone looks similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, while major camera lens arrangement can be seen on the back, which looks quite impressive. On the front, we can see the Galaxy S22 Ultra-like display with hole punch and curved edges. On the flip side, the Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with a whole new camera lens arrangement, which looks quietly improved compared to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. As you can see in the video, the Galaxy S23 Ultra might feature a rearranged camera system in a 2+2 form factor. While the primary and wide-angle camera sensors are placed vertically, the device has the rest two telephoto lenses parallelly away, while one lens is installed alongside the LED flash circle. It is already reported that the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will get a camera with a record high resolution of 200 megapixels. At the same time, the device will use third generation of a 200 megapixel module. Now, according to the latest news, the new flagship Galaxy S23 Ultra, or whatever the next flagship smartphone from Samsung will be called, could get a speed boost in the form of faster storage. The UFS 4.0, new massive UFS 4.0 storage could get next generation Galaxy phones a major performance boost. It is expected that the smartphone will be equipped with a 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED 3X screen with curved edges on the sides, QHD plus resolution, and an image refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. A very smooth frequency adoption from 1 to 120 Hz will be more perfect. The new 5000 mAh battery that will support fast wired charging up to 65 watts and wireless up to 35 watts. It is expected that the smartphone will receive an in-display front camera called UDC, the flagship single-chip system Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 12 or 16 GB of RAM, and 128 to 1 TB of internal flash memory will become the hardware basis of the smartphone. It is expected that the new Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphones will be officially launched in February 2023. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Well, peace out.